Well, good Monday morning to you. Trucker Todd here, and time for another video. All right, folks, on Friday, I was in Edwardsville, Kansas at the terminal. I got to meet a lot of viewers and had a good time doing it. And while we were talking, the subject of the Samsara dash cam that I got came up. A lot of people were wanting to see footage from the camera to see how clear it is, things like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you some daytime and nighttime footage of that camera so that you can kind of see how it works. And I've had a chance to kind of play with it a little and learn a little more about it. And so I'm going to share my thoughts with you on that. Also, in an upcoming video, probably in a couple of weeks, a lot of you have been asking about the coaching and micromanagement of the camera. I actually turned on all of those features, and I'm currently testing them right now to see how sensitive they are, things like that. And so hopefully in an upcoming video here pretty quick, in a couple of weeks or so, I'll be able to share that information with you. So this is going to be a pretty short video. I'm just going to show you those two clips, and then I'll come back and tell you a little bit more about the camera, and we'll wrap it up. But before we do, you guys give this video a thumbs up. Share it on your social media platforms. Even though you've probably subscribed in the past, look down below. Make sure you're still subscribed. Sometimes YouTube will unsubscribe people for some strange reason, and you don't want to miss a notification when a future video comes out. It's free to do, and it also really helps me out. Probably more than anything else you can do. Also, there's a lot of other great information in the description below. Look down there for ways you can contact me, ways that you can help the channel, and learn more about Swift, which is where I'm currently at. And I really love working here. You guys know that. But without further ado, we're going to cue up the music, and then we'll jump right into the videos.
And this is why I do this, why I'm out here, why I keep that hammer down. Flying by these road signs with home on my mind, with these wheels turning round. For my family and for my kids, for this life I wanna live. And this is why I do this.
Now when you download, this is how the footage comes up. As it shows it on the camera app, it has at the top the speed limit where you're at and what your actual speed is. But as you can tell, the video quality is really good. I've got it set at an angle where if somebody backed into the front of my hood, you can see it. It's really sensitive. You can see when I hit a bump in the road. It's really windy on this day. You can see the truck rocking a little bit within the lane. And I'm just really pleased with the picture quality of this camera so far. And this is the daytime view. We're also going to take a look at some nighttime footage here in just a few seconds and let you see the contrast there. Okay, here's the nighttime footage. It's obviously a little darker. It does have a little LED light up there that helps illuminate it a little bit, but you still have a good visibility of the road. If a deer or something was to run out in front of you, you would be able to see it. And so I would like it if it was a little better lit than that, but overall I'm satisfied with the picture quality. If I were in a truck stop and somebody backed into my hood, I would be able to see that. It shows right there, you can see a pickup passing me with a trailer. If he were to swerve over on me, it would show that. And so I'm thinking this camera is going to work nicely, and I'm really pleased with it so far. Like I was saying previously in this video, it does give speed information, how fast you're going and things like that. So now I'm going to wrap it up with some final thoughts. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed those video clips. I'm very happy with the camera so far. The worst part's been setting it up. They've got a website you go to for part of the setup and an app that you use for another part of the setup. And when you call customer service for help, it's kind of hit and miss. I had accidentally turned on in-cab audio, and you guys know how I feel about in-cab audio. There's never a situation where in-cab audio benefits the driver. And so I just got off the phone with customer service, and they couldn't even figure out how to turn it off. And while we were looking, I figured it out and told them, so now they know how to do it too. But anyway, I guess that's going to happen. At any kind of customer service place, you're going to have people with varying levels of experience, and we all got to learn somewhere, so no hard feelings there. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. You guys shoot me an email or leave me a comment with your questions about the camera, and I'll do my best to answer them. As I said, in the coming weeks, I'll have something out about the coaching thing, and I even put myself on a points system. I'm going to grade my driving and coach myself, and hopefully in a couple of weeks I'll be able to share that information with you as well. But you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.